Hi everybody, welcome to Indian Mom Vlogs. Today we are looking at how to clean a refrigerator, how to clean a fridge, a rather messy fridge. And first of all, when I opened the fridge, I realized that the freezer was okay, but the fridge was in a very bad state. It needed some deep cleaning. So the routine today is for when you need to deep clean. It's not for just a maintenance cleaning. It is a really deep clean. So step 1 is to empty the fridge. So for this I removed everything out of the fridge. You will be surprised at what all you might find in the fridge. I had tons of food which I had prepared and got pushed back into the refrigerator, and as you can see I can't bend as much, so that kind of got stuck behind as such. So step 1 was to empty the refrigerator. Once the refrigerator is empty, we will get to cleaning the refrigerator. For this my son came to help me, and I'm so very grateful for his help. Without asking, he just comes over and helps. So I'm getting into the side of the fridge, the gasket on the side, which is like a sealant which seals in the cool fresh air, and then I rinsed off all the sides, all the plates, everything. Tell Deji.
After putting hot water, the dirt comes out, especially from the dog. Like and subscribe.
Step 3 is to now sort through each and every item, check the expiry date, check whether you really need them, toss them in the garbage if not required, and whatever you put back into the fridge, make sure you wipe it clean, because you're putting it back into a clean fridge. And that is what my daughter is helping out with. She's sorting through everything and throwing away things which have expired, which we do not no longer use, and we are going to put them back into the refrigerator. Now is also a good time to make a note of all the things you need to maybe purchase in your next grocery haul. And also you can also keep a tub of baking soda in the fridge to catch all odors. That's it guys, hope you have liked the video.
Here we are putting eggs, here chocolate if we buy any, here lemons, and here different spices in bottles, and here bread, sauces and chili powder. Here we are putting my cooking ingredients, milk, pickles, mummy's things, here other spices, vegetables, here any other things, and here these vegetables, butter and egg.